So hey everybody, I'm back with another video. So this will be my second video of the day. If you haven't seen the first one, I'll leave a link down below. But this hair is from WavY Hair, and I have done videos for them before reviewing their hair, but I got some new deep wavy hair in and I am feeling myself. Okay, so I want to jump right into this hair. I made this unit in about an hour. Like, I wanted to try this like deep wavy so bad, just because I've heard so many good reviews on the deep wavy hair, like from YouTube, from Instagram, you know, just looking at little stuff, normal stuff that we all click on to watch, that we don't pay no mind. But they reached out to me and I wanted to try this hair, so I am bringing it to y'all and I am pressed. Okay, so firstly I got a 20-inch 4x4 closure, just so you guys can see. It's a 4x4 closure on there. And then I got a 20-inch, 22, and a 24-inch deep wavy bundles. The closure is 20 inches, and it is just so freaking soft and so beautiful. Like, look at that. Look at the hair. This hair is not wet. This is dry hair. The only thing that I did to this hair was put mousse on it. And that was literally just to lay my closure down without having to apply heat, because this hair is curly. And I am so impressed. And normally with WavY hair, their hair does not shed. So I did get a little bit of shedding with this, just because I think it's because I'm cutting my wefts as I'm doing my wig. But it hasn't shed since I put the wig together. And I'm just going to stand up so you guys see how long it is, because this is a 24-inch. And normally with curly or deep wavy hair, it does draw up, so it looks a lot shorter than what it is. But this hair is so soft. I did not have to do anything. Normally with my deep wavy and my curly hair, when I get it in, I'll go right in and I will deep condition it and I will let it sit and just let it just marinate until I get those really nice beautiful curls and that bounce back. But I did not have to do that with this hair, because as soon as I took it out the package, it was already soft. So I just made the wig and then I put some mousse on it. I do have the mousse I used, so I just used the Lotta Body coconut and shea oil mousse, and I literally just put it on there and let it sit and let it air dry. Didn't touch it. The only time I'm touching it is right now as it's on, and I'm in love with the hair. I literally am. One thing that I can say, when you get this deep wavy hair, just make sure that you're not getting a lot of shedding, and make sure you get no tangles. I don't have any tangles in this hair. I can run my fingers straight through it, except for the ends, which is kind of normal because the ends seem to have more of a like a coarse feel. But this is pretty soft in my opinion. And it just looks natural. Another thing is, with their closure now, they're sending the closure with like extra long baby hair. So that's why you see this lace right here, because I had to cut the baby hair in case I want to glue this wig down and I can give myself some fake baby hair. The baby hair actually comes a lot longer than what you see. So the baby hair actually comes about this long, and then as you can see, I did trim it for when I want to glue this wig down. But other than that, I literally have no complaints about this hair. It's soft, it's pretty. I did not have to do anything to it. All I had to do to lay these little flyaways down was put some mousse on it, let it air dry, and this is how it turned out. I did not wash this hair. I literally just put the mousse on, and it's gorgeous. Like, it doesn't have any oils in it or anything. It's just super soft. I can see this hair getting a little dry as you keep wearing it, but you can easily fix that with just some deep conditioner and then maybe some argan oil, let it air dry, and you'll be good. But yeah, WavY, they've always been like A1 when it came to like curly hair, straight hair. They've always been like A1, especially when it comes to shedding and tangling. So again, let me know what you guys think about this one, and I will see you guys in my next video. But I'm absolutely loving it. I'm going to turn around just so you guys can see it. And I do have a ponytail right here, so don't mind that. but the texture is just gorgeous. And normally when you get like deep wavy or curly hair, it tends to puff up. This just, it doesn't do that. It just doesn't. It looks extremely natural and pretty, and it's soft. All I can say is that this hair is super soft. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.